If you are a photographer or videographer, then you need the best green screen kits as well as other equipment. Green screens usually used to take simple portraits to Hollywood movies due to their ability to enable the photographer to use the chroma key to superimpose the images, backgrounds, and more. Also, the type of green screen or green screen kit that you choose should be based on the amount of time you spent and the applications you require. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Fotodiox Pro Collapsible Background Kit has a double-sided background panel with chroma key green/blue, and it supports the stand for easy setup. It measures 5 feet by 7 feet, which is perfect for photography or filming your subject, and offers support stand that can be raised to 7 feet to hold the panel. Also, it comes with 2-in-1 collapsible design that adds versatility for use in any shoot. Besides, it has a durable spring metal frame and pro-grade material construction. You can pop open the background panel and use the clamp on the support stand to hold your background in place. Moreover, the steel spring frame pops open the backdrop in seconds and helps maintain its shape. On the other hand, when folded down, it is a compact 30 by 30 inch disc that can be stored in its included carrying case. The Crafty Photo Studio Umbrella Lighting Kit is made of high quality nylon, and the 33 inches umbrellas are lightweight and easy to set up. They reflect and spread light stream evenly to create a better lighting effect. It uses 5500K color temperature daylight balanced fluorescent floodlights that provide cool, white continuous lighting E27 socket. Also, it uses umbrella flash strobe light stands, and they are all screw and compatible with all major photo equipment. Besides, it has 3 collapsible muslin backgrounds, which are suitable for any costume, portrait, and large object photography. Moreover, it is equipped with a 1/4 inch screw, which is compatible with all major photo equipment. It also has quick release levers, which allow full and smooth height adjustments. On the other hand, you can collect all the accessories of this kit and keep them safe in the carrying bag. The Linko Store AM 169 is equipped with Pheno Square Umbrella, which creates even and diffused light by directing light through the inner aluminized fabric surface, acting as an efficient reflector. Also, the umbrella is constructed from high-quality translucent white fabric, and it allows light to pass, producing a soft, even light for your subject. It features an elastic pocket, which places the light source in an optimal position, providing zero light loss. Besides, it comes with a light diffusion surface of 60 by 60 centimeters, and it's ideal for general photography, including portraits, group shots, glamour, and product photography. On the other hand, it has a durable lighting carrying bag, which is great for transporting any combination of lights and accessories. In at first place among the list of best green screen kits, we have the Flier Studio. It provides lighting and backdrop support system. Also, it comes with 2 105-watt 5500K perfect daylight color fluorescent bulbs, which are ideal for video and photography. Besides, it has 2 7-foot height light stand, 2 AC adapter, and 2 33-inch chutes through umbrella for natural light diffusion. Moreover, it has 1 massive duty backdrop support system, which is able to go up to 8 feet in height and 10 feet wide, with 4 sectional bars. On the other hand, its seamless chroma key green muslin backdrop that comes with 100% cotton, and it's fully machine washable.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.